So I don't normally do sort of unboxing sort of reveal videos, but I think this one's too good a issue to miss. So this arrived today and it's looking good. I'm just going to move back to show you what it actually is. It's Locomotion No1, the Hornby Collector's Edition, club exclusive. So let's see if I can get this open. Quite a good box. Some paperwork, just a description of Locomotion No1's history, and then we have the reveal itself. So it seems to be well packaged. I have had a quick look at this. There are no loose bits before extracting it from the box, so it looks pretty good to me. And what an impressive looking, well packaged. They've obviously taken care to think about the motion of the vertical rods and not damaging in transit. Piece of kit. Now it's a bit stiff in the packaging, so I'm going to pause the video for a minute. Just detached it from the packaging, and we have a small bag with a couple of members of railway personnel and an extra coupling by the looks of it, and then we've got to work out how to get this apart. So let's have a look at how it's clipped together. Okay, I'm going to pause the video again. It's push clipped together and you have to lift it vertically. Okay, so I paused it just to loosen it, but it basically lifts vertically off to provide the view of the motion with the model intact, resting on its cradle. And that cradle's quite handy actually, because it means I can turn it around easily to look at the other side to see everything. So now this is the Collector's Club edition, so it doesn't have the actual Locomotion nameplate on that the edition that represents its as preserved condition that has also been released has. I think it's got a different chimney as well, I could be wrong about that. So there we go. I'm basically going to drop this onto a rolling road now and we'll hopefully see it in motion. So I'm going to pause again. Okay, so it's now on the rolling road. I did discover something getting it out the packaging. It is held in by a small screw which you have to undo to get it out the packaging. So it's not just pop the top, you have to remove the screw as well. Looks like it has a small trailing magnetic coupling on the back, but also may well have the peg for the typical Hornby Liverpool and Manchester carriages. So it's currently still DC fitted, so it's not got any decoder in it at the moment, and I'm just going to start to bring the power up, and there we go. We see that wonderful motion, and that is just outstanding in terms of the development of that. Obviously it's going to be a model you need to take a lot of care of. And this is not run in yet, this is straight out the box. So, a bit closer to the motion. You can see the number 1 just plated beneath the motion. But yeah, as I say, that magnetic coupling trailing on the back does look like it's on one of the pegs for the Liverpool and Manchester carriages as well. So. Just pull the speed up a bit. Probably doesn't need to go much more than that. That's halfway on the Gauge Master speed controller. I doubt it would have gone much more than that in reality. So bringing it back down. Change the direction. You can tell it's not been run in, it's just slightly jerky, but to be honest, for straight out the box, I'm quite impressed with that. And there we go. So I'm going to actually let that run in now, but I'm going to stop the video. Cheers for watching.